Coming soon is National Cinema Day Part 2. Last year was on September 3rd. Now this year it's on August 27th. So they changed it up there. Same day of the week, still Sunday, but it's earlier by a week. Same day of the week, still Sunday. Than it would have been. I don't know what day of the week was last year, but it's still Sunday. So what's happening this year is something very interesting, actually. As you can see here, it's 26th. It's August. They don't have the full lineup here for this particular day, but let me let you know what's happening on Monday. Same thing, right? However, on National Cinema Day, take a look at this. It's not there anymore. I believe that what's happening here, if you think this is the only theater doing this one, it's not them. It's almost everybody. They're showing select movies that day for a cheap price. Or they're not participating at all. They're going to show the regular show times with no discounts. I find this very interesting. I want to know what the reason is for them showing only this movie there, And look over here, how many seats are available for this particular one? About 50 or so. So that's really weird. That they're going to allow access to the movie theater at that time, but only one movie's going to be playing there. Some boomer shit that kids don't want to see. What's going to happen here is this. I predicted this last year. There was going to be chaos in the movie theater for that fucking cheap-ass price. Because kids don't have any fucking money. So therefore, they're going to go in there, cause a ruckus there, and leave. Security needs to be on deck. Now, this year, one showtime only. One showtime only. It shouldn't be that bad. If any teens do happen to go in there, see it early, whatever, if they happen to know about this. This is like very underground shit that I happen to know this shit. So, if they happen to know, and they purchase tickets for their friends, security still needs to be on hand. Because those kids may want to rebel and start tearing shit up there because they can't see what they want to see. The reason why prices are what they are for buildings and places is to keep certain demographics out of there. The reason why hospital bills are so high is to keep certain demographics from being able to afford it. Even though the actual medicine is pennies to the dollar, you're going to be paying hundreds of dollars for that particular thing. Not because they need the money, because they want to keep certain people from getting it. And that's fucking bullshit. I pay like a couple dollars for the medicine that I do need whenever I do need it. But I rarely do, thankfully, for right now. I got a plan for that one, so it's just weird that they're doing this one. So if they do this, if you do see a cinema, if you do see a cinema near you that's playing like all the movies that are playing there that particular day on 27th, and they're all discounted, let me fucking know, because this is Empire right now. They're only gonna have this movie there, those two show times, and that's it. Let's check 34th Street's another popular one in the area. 27th. They're not even going to bother opening that day. It's blank. Wow. Let's try another movie theater that I frequent whenever I need to. I'm betting... Okay, so 27th, they are open. Some movie called Stachin. Let's see what the cost is. I have no idea what the hell this is. No one knows about it. Wow, regular price. they're not even gonna bother having other movies there that day. Wow, they're just gonna be like, this movie's statching, take it or leave it. Because last year they fucked up. Those kids did exactly what they were what expected of them. They got in there and they caused a ruckus. It was very tiring to the staff. I mean, like, I remember like seeing them like with their heads tilted, like heads twisting around. Like it was like an owl, yo. I mean, like everywhere. The kids were everywhere, jumping, running around, having like, oh my god. I don't know, bro. It's fucking gonna be crazy. Let me do something I didn't do before. So, let me see. Coming soon. I'm looking for a certain. Let me see. 25th. M9 Do or Die, whatever that is. Okay, that's not really playing anywhere. King of Kota. It may get released. That looks like a really cool movie. They usually put movies like that one out in theaters. Jurassic Park 30th anniversary. Okay, so not playing on that particular Sunday. It's not playing there. Jurassic Park, playing the regular places. Oh my god! You know, I've seen a lot of like movies coming out nowadays that are like super old. I saw Bruce Lee's Into the Dragon today, and I saw National Lampoon coming up in the future, and I see this kind of stuff there. I know Phantom has this kind of stuff there, but like now the movie's going to be on strike. Oosh. I believe I'm seeing this today, Monday. Part of Mystery Monday. So Retribution, I'll let you know how that is if anybody cares. Let me see here. Okay, Retribution is going to come out there anyway. So is it playing Sunday? It's not playing any Sundays, bro. It's not playing that Sunday. They want to get that money. They'd rather lose money than get that little bit of money. You know why they're doing that one? You know why? Because they want to make sure that if they play it on that particular day, that cheat day, that means you don't have to pay the full price Saturday or Friday or even like Monday. You can just not pay the opening day, not pay those days, and then wait and hope to get a ticket on that particular Sunday. So they're just not showing it at all that day. If they gave you a chance to see it, you're not gonna bother, you're not gonna like pay the full price, and they want that full price money. So they're not gonna play it that day. That's why American Graffiti, a movie from like 1968 or whatever, has no problem playing that day because they already lost their. Any money is good money for them. They need this needs fresh money. This money is already super old anyway. They don't care, so they don't mind playing on 27th, bro. Seriously. Another movie I see here that's on the 27th. Let's see what's happening here, and blah blah blah. 30th doesn't count there. The Owners, The Hill, Warrior King. I bet it's playing it in. Oh my fucking god! This is just the plain time ground. Okay, The Dot. I did see an interesting movie coming out. I think called The Moon, coming out next week. Chinese movie. So I'm gonna get my 3DS ready for that one. Holy shit! For those that don't know, I play video games on the side, on a tilt. So I don't just nobody's disturbed me in fucking like ever, bro. Ever. I don't remember anybody saying, "Can you turn up your device?" I turn it at certain angles so no one can see me play during boring parts of the movie, so I can fucking stand that shit. Because 99% of the time, there Chinese movies are really good in the beginning, but they suck in the middle, and then they're good in the end. Playing 25th and 26th. I was looking for this one specifically, Quad Cinema. This is the last one I'll do. On Sunday, what are they playing there? No details because there's no picture. Is it cheap day that day? It is not cheap day. They are not opting in for that particular thing. Wow. Cinema Village, that's also another one in the same area. Are they opting in or opting out? Let's check it out. They're not even playing anything Friday or Saturday, bro. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Then this one's not even playing anything else on Saturday or Sunday either. This is not good, bro. People just don't care. They just don't care, bro. Oh my god, it's gonna be fucking. It's gonna be so mid, bro. Oh my god. They don't even want to bother with that shit there. They lost so much money, I think, last year anyway, and no one really bought anything from the concession stands. So it was an experiment to see if it was going to work out so well. It didn't, and this is proof that it didn't work out well because movie theaters aren't even bothered showing anything to get you in there because they know you're not going to buy anything else. And if they did like discount the popcorn by half price, that's more extra workload for the employees. So they said, "Fuck it, we're not gonna do this shit anymore." And I think this is the last time you're gonna. This could be the last time. I think it could be the last time you ever even hear of National Cinema Day, because they're not even trying to get you in the theaters this time. They're not even trying to get you in there. They might as well put like patty cake on for like 5 hours. No one's gonna see that shit. I made a patty cake. It's not a real thing. So, holy shit. It's dead. It's dead. Okay, so that's it for now. Black off.